Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create chart in Excel step by step. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, the order ID, product list and total price. So to create chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. And the second way, you just select the inside the cell and you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. After that, go to the Insert tab. Okay, click on the Insert tab. In Charts group, select the charts those you want. So I select here the column chart. Just click on this arrow to select the column chart. You can see the 2D column, 3D column, and I select here the second one, 2D column. Okay, here you can see the chart is inserted with the Chart Design tab and Format tab also added. Okay, so to change the chart style, go to the Chart Design tab, and here the chart style available. You can see here the different style is showing. When you keep cursor on any style, see the changes on your charts. See the chart style it change. Okay, so select the chart style those you want. So I select the this one. Okay, and just click on it and your chart style is changed. So in this chart, you can see in horizontal labels, the order ID and product name also showing. So here I want only the order ID labels. So for that, simply click on the chart and go to the chart design tab. In data group, click on the select data option. And here the select data source dialog box is open. You can see here the two options, legend entries and horizontal labels, exercise label. In horizontal Excel label, you can see the order ID and product name also showing. And here I have only the order ID. Then click on the edit option and here the small dialog box is open, the exercise label. Access label range, select here the range. The selected range, you can see here the data range also showing. The both column is selected and here I want only the order ID. So for that, just click on the arrow to change the range. Okay, and select the range those you want. So I select only the order ID range. Okay, select it and you can see here the range is selected. Then click on this arrow. Okay, and after that click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the horizontal labels only the order ID is showing. Then click on the OK, and that's it. Here you can see the horizontal labels only the order ID is showing. Okay, so this is a way you can change the data source also. Okay, if you want to change color in chart designs, you can see the change colors option. See the different colors also available. Select the charts first. Okay, I just select this charts and click on the change color. See the different colors also available. Okay, you can change accordingly. See, um, this is the way you can change the color also. And other so many option is available here. The quick layout in chart design tab, the quick layout. Just click on, you can see here the different layout also available. See the changes on the charts. You can just keep cursor on it and see the preview of on charts. Okay. If you want to apply, just click on it and here you can see your chart layout is changed. Okay, and in format option you can use this option to formatting your charts. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.